All right, let's get to do some coding here. What do we got here? We have a Python challenge. We're learning Python. We have an 8KYU from CodeWars. And this one is called Grasshopper If Else Syntax Debug. So while making a game, your partner Greg decided to create a function to check if the user is still alive, called checkAlive. Unfortunately, Greg made some errors while creating the function. Should return true if the player's health is greater than 0 or false if it is 0 or below. The function receives one parameter, which is health, which will always be a whole number between -10 and +10. Okay, so we just gotta basically debug this here. So we can basically say if health is -0, we could do like this ternary. If health, return health. I think if we just do this, yeah, because the opposite of this would be false, right? So if it's less than 0, so I think it's as simple as that. Yeah. Return true if the player's health. Okay. That was a pretty easy one. All right, so we're sorting by popularity, Python, approved, meaning not beta, and ones I haven't seen before. And this is 8KYU, which is like the difficulty level. So let's do another one. Debugging, say hello. Starship Enterprise has run into some problems. Oh my goodness. So it's your job to fix the code. So we gotta do example. Oh, so they're gonna put in a name, and we just want to say hello name. All right. Well, we're gonna use f strings. So the syntax is like hello, and then you put name. I think that's it. Yeah. All right, some of these are just like super easy, but my goal is to try to finish all of the 8 and then go through all the 7. I was kind of hopping around, but I feel like there's a lot of concepts that I just either didn't understand or learn yet. But also part of it is recalling a lot of this stuff, right? And I think that's how I learn at least. So I don't know, I'm doing what I can. So training JavaScript, JS number 7, if else and ternary operator. Okay, this is like explaining. I'm just trying to figure out what we're asked to do here. Okay, let's just read the task here. I'm not sure what's going on here. Complete the function. A sale of hot dogs. Holy hot dog. Okay, we're going to accept one parameter, which is n. N is the number of customers to buy hot dogs. Different numbers have different prices. Refer to the following table. I get okay. You get like a quantity break here. So basically, if you can use if, else, or ternary operator to. Holy cow! This person really wrote 42 of these. That's impressive. Okay. Let's just do this one in here. I think it might be a lot of typing, but we'll see. Here's our table. Let's just throw in a few of these. You know what would be really cool? I haven't figured this out yet, but like I want to be able to like delete this in each one. How do I do that? Let's just see if. Oh yeah, that is doing it, huh? Oh, it did something. Oh. Oh, it was like putting my. Give me a second, I'm just setting this up. Sorry, guys. I think I must have. Alright, I think we're good. Oh, then these are. Okay, we're good. Okay, so let's. Oh, so this we can't do a ternary statement here, can we? There's only 3, so it's like, I wouldn't know how to do it in one line. Statement A if condition, else statement B. But I need this to be an elif, I guess. Does an elif work there? I don't know. Let's try. All right, return. And then the condition is, well, we want n, which is hot dogs, times times 100, n times 100 if, and then this is where you do the ternary, right? Like if condition statement, this would be the statement, right? And then this is the condition if n is less than 100, right? Or no, sorry, 5. 5. And then we're doing elif n times 95 if 5 greater than or equal to n, I don't know if this is going to work, less than 10, else n times 90. This definitely doesn't work. This elif looks really odd right here. Let me just look up something real quick. Python ternary elif. I don't even know if this is a thing here. Can we do this? Python ternary elif. Whoa, where'd that go? Nested x if c of o, else y if cl f z. Yeah, so, okay, so it looks like the elif doesn't work, because this is what I'm doing right here. So, method nested ternary. I think this is just, like, more complicated. I mean, like, how are they doing it? What, this is it, right? Nested ternary. So, print no if x greater, else print yes if x. So, they're just using, like, so there should be an else. Is that what he's doing? So that's what he's doing. So let's just run this. 9,000. I feel like that worked. So now it should be, yeah, I think that is it, right? All right, I guess that's it. I don't know if I like this code, but I guess that's it. Let's see if it returns. Oh, 810 should equal 855. Okay, so whenever this happens, whenever I pass the majority of them and I fail one, I feel like I just mixed up like an equal then, greater than equal sign. So let's go back to the instructions. Okay, so if n times 100, if n is less than 5. Okay, so this looks correct to me. Else, n times 95, and this is where we're going to pay attention, if 5 is greater than... No, this doesn't look right because I think we got our signs flipped here because it's saying n. Do I want to go the other way? See, this is messy here. Is that right? Which number did I fail on? 810. Here, wait, let's just print n real quick. And I'll be able to tell you which one I messed up on. 9. So let's go to 9. Let's see what that is. 855. Yeah, I think I just fixed it. Alright, let's try that bad boy. Yeah, let's see. Fingers crossed. It did pass. Okay. Alright, what do you think? Is this the best solution? Let's go with it. Let's submit this. How's it compared to ours? So n times 100 if n theirs is cool. Okay, so they just put, okay, so they were like, hey, instead of being repetitive and multiplying n times each one of its prices, that's pretty cool. I like that a lot. So this was a good one. This one I learned to do this nested else. So this was pretty cool. This was a good idea. Because I guess like Python doesn't default or doesn't out of the box allow the elif as far as like a ternary operator. They allow if and else, but not elif, right? So to do elif, it would be like an else inside of like one line. Else. So that's really cool. All right, that's good to know. We'll have to keep that in mind for next time. And then this is just pretty smart right here. So yeah, I really like that. Yeah. Some other ways to solve it. Okay, cool. Holy cow, no way. This guy wrote like a class. No way. Are you serious? Like, what is this? Implementing a red-black tree when the tree never exceeds 3 nodes. So what is a red-black tree? Self-balancing binary search tree. I don't know, but it was invented in 1972. That's all I know. Tells you the ton complexity of this. Looks like it's like a search algorithm, I'm guessing. I don't even know. Special type of binary search. Okay. Alright. That was that. Okay, so now we're going to do filling an array part 1. We want an array, but not just any old array. We want an array with content. So we're going to basically write a function that produces an array with the number 0 to n minus 1 in it. For example, the following code will result in an array containing the numbers 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I feel like this is just basically x for x in range, and we want 0 to n, but we want it inclusive. The key thing here was inclusive, wasn't it? For example, and array 0 to 4. So 0 to 4. Oh, it's actually exclusive. That last number is exclusive. So is that what they're looking for? Positional and X for X in range N. So it failed on two things here. I'm not sure what it failed on. Let's try to print out to typing. Oh, is this? It's an empty. It failed on an empty one. Is that it? Wait a minute. So what would Let me just type something. So x equals. Let's do n equals 0, right? And then for num, let's just do let's x for x in range n. It's an empty, and that's what we're supposed to return. Type error. R is missing required positional argument n. N is in there, so like, what the heck is going on? N is in there, so like, what the heck is going on? Is there a bug with this one? 2 months ago. Is there a bug with this one? 2 months ago. So they want us to. Maybe we gotta put in an optional. So they want us to. Maybe we gotta put in an optional. Okay, I think this is the keyword. Oh, so you have to give it a default value. I think this is the keyword. Oh, so you have to give it a default value. Okay, so we obviously didn't. So how do we get back to my solution? We didn't read that. So how do we get back to try again? Here? What do I just try again? N equals 0, right? It should just be n equals 0, right? That was weird. Okay. Oh, that was weird. Okay. I mean, okay, so for this one, I guess what we kind of learned is, what is it, parameters? Yeah, the parameters here. I forget if these are called parameters. Yeah, the parameters here. To a function. I forget if these are called parameters. You're defining the function, passing parameters, right? So function. When you're defining the function, I believe parameters optional, right? So these are parameters. So what we learned is like, right? So you have to get so these parameters can have a default. So what we learned is like this would be a default value. Yeah, parameters can have a default value, and this would be a default value. And then the list comprehension. That's the way to do it in one line. And then the list comprehension, right? I mean, that's the way to do it in one line. Okay. I don't know, I guess that's okay. Okay. I don't know, I guess that's all right, let's keep moving. Short, long. All right, let's keep moving. Short. All right, so we're given two strings A and B, return a string of the form short plus long. All right, so we're given two strings A and B, return a string of the form short plus long plus short with the shorter string on the outside and the same length. But they may be, and strings will not be the same length. But zero may be empty. For R, we're not using R, so we don't care. Zero length. So hint for R, we're not using R, so we don't care about that. So output 2 and then the output is 2. Okay, so the longer, so we're getting two strings, the longer one goes in. Okay, so the longer, so we're getting two strings, the longer one goes in the middle. Okay. I'm tempted to do Wait, how would I do this? So first I need to determine.
Wait, how would
first
I
I
do
need
this?
to
So
determine. First I need to determine. Okay,
of each of
first I
these,
need
correct?
to determine the length. I think I could do len, but like if
Of
len
each
is
of these,
zero,
correct?
so like if
And
I
len
think I could
is
do len, but like if len is
an
zero,
empty
so
string.
like if len is
What happens if I do len of
an
A?
empty
It's zero.
string.
Okay, that's good. At least it's not like an error.
What
That's
happens if I
nice.
do len of A? It's zero. All
Okay,
right,
that's good. At least it's not like an error.
That's nice. I want to like.
All right, so
Let's just say
I wanna like. Let's just test it here, I guess.
let's just say let's just
B
test it
equals
here. I guess I don't know why I'm
2,
looking
2,
in here, right?
but,
And then
B
what if I did
equals
max A
2, 2,
What
right?
pulls out? And then
Pulls
what
out
if I did
2,
max
2.
A B? What pulls out? It pulls out. And then if
2,
I did
2.
min A B. And then if I did min A B 1. Okay. I think I want to sort of do an F string. I think I want to sort of do an F string. I think it would be interesting. You're kind of like just do this, and then
So
we're not.
we don't want a space, right?
B
So we're doing it again,
and now we're gonna do max.
We don't want a space, right?
So we're doing it again, and
But now we're gonna do max.
do it A B.
Oh, I think.
And then now we're gonna do it. Oh, I think I messed that up. Oh man. Oh man. A B. That's a lot of stuff here. Min. A
No.
B. Oh, okay. I messed up the syntax here. No.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I
We
messed
didn't
up
close
the
that.
syntax here.
Okay.
See, this is
Okay,
why
you need
oh,
to do
we
it
didn't, we didn't
on-
close that. Okay. See,
Close
this is
that.
why
See
you
that?
need to do it
Just a lot better.
Okay,
better.
so
See
I'm
that?
just putting a space
Just a
here.
lot
So
better.
min AB, then we got the max.
Okay,
AB,
so I'm just putting a
and then
space
the min
here.
AB.
So
Min AB, then we
Okay,
got the
let's
max
try that.
AB, and then the min AB.
Oh,
Okay, let's just try
false
that.
you false should equal you
Oh.
false to you. False you false should equal you false to you.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. And then B is
You?
capital U. And then B
Oh,
is,
you know what they're throwing off,
because
you?
I bet you it's
Capital
doing an
U.
ASCII.
Oh, you know what they're throwing off,
because I bet you it's doing an ASCII like the Unicode, right? So let's just try to
pull it out.
I bet you the U is worth.
I bet you
more
it's
than
gonna
false,
say,
right? So let's just try to
B.
pull it out.
Which is
I bet you it's gonna say.
Oh, it does.
U,
I don't think my code
Which
will
is you.
work here.
Oh, it does. I don't think my code will work here. Okay. So. Okay. So. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, no, that definitely didn't work. All right, let's just regroup here. Yeah, no, that definitely didn't work. All right, let's just regroup here. Okay, so let's just start back at the beginning here. Okay, so let's just start back at the beginning here. Be like A. All right, so we could be like A, and then just say len of A, and then just say len of A. Oh, you know what we need to do? Okay, so check this out. I have an idea. You know what we need to do? Okay, so check this out. I have an idea. Min. So we're using min. Well, we don't min. So we're using min. We want this. Well, let's go back to this one. We want this one. Let's go back to this one, right? Min. All right, and then min, and then we do a keyword. I think we could do key min, and then we do a keyword. I think we could do key. I think this might be equals len. Trick. I think this might be the trick to this one. I think. And then
1451. Yeah, I think that is it. So let's try that. 1451. Yeah, I think that is it. So let's try that. That's it. That's it. All right. I mean, this was a lot, but yeah. Okay.
All right.
This was a lot, but B plus A.
Yeah.
Okay. A plus B plus A. If
oh man, that's pretty
is
smart.
Oh man, that's pretty smart.
So yeah, mine looks
very hard to read.
all right. This
So
is
I'm
doing
doing
an
an
F string.
Yeah,
and
mine
then I'll
looks
just do it.
very hard to read.
I'm calling
So I'm doing
min
an
max
F string,
and then I'm just
the
doing
key is len.
I'm calling min max min, and I'm using the key is len. This one's easier to read, right? There's only what two permutations. This one's easier to read,
two different,
right? There's only what two permutations. There's two different solutions.
Yeah,
this is using the ternary, right? This is a ternary conditional.
Yeah,
this is using the ternary,
I like this one.
right? This is a ternary
If
conditional.
len is
That's cool. I like this.
Yeah,
one.
and this is the same way.
If
Just
len is written differently.
yeah, and this
This is
old
the same
format
way, just written differently. This is the old
Oh.
format way. What's going on there? Okay.
Oh.
I don't even know what's going on there. They're like, okay, yeah. Okay. All right. Well. Okay.
I think that was good. So how long
right,
have we
well,
been? How long have we been going?
All right, I think that was good. So
That's
how long have
26
we been?
minutes.
How
We do
long have we been
4
going?
more
here?
minutes?
We do 26 minutes.
4
Can we
minutes?
do
Let's do it.
4
Let's
more
go.
minutes?
Let's go.
Can we do
1 to 4 minutes.
Get the
Let's
nth
do it. Let's go.
even
Let's go.
number. Oh boy. Oh boy. Get the nth
Oh my goodness.
even
Okay,
number.
so,
return
boy.
the nth even
Oh
number.
my goodness.
So
Okay,
if you
so,
enter one, the first
return the
even number
nth
is zero.
even
number. So if you enter 1, the first even
3,
number is 0. The first, the third,
3.
oh, the third,
The
even
first,
number
the
is
third,
4. Oh, the third even number is 4. The input will not be 0. The input will not be 0. Okay, so I mean, the first thing that comes on mind is how high did these numbers go, right? Like,
Okay, so I mean, the first thing that comes on mind is how high did these numbers go?
How
right?
much?
Like,
I'm just thinking of a loop, but like, how much?
This one's a little tricky. Might have to come back to this one.
All right, this one's a little tricky.
Might have to think about this.
Might have to come back to this one. Might need to think about this. Set it up here. Let's just set it up here. So it's like the third one. So it's like so the third.
Bet you there's a math
one.
formula here.
Bet you there's a math formula.
All right, we're gonna take a break. I'm gonna Google this. I bet you there is a math formula.
All right, we're gonna take a break. I'm gonna Google this. I bet you there is a math formula. I'm pretty
So,
sure there is.
Stay tuned to next time.
So, stay tuned to next time.